Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Aziz. I'm member 3 of Team 12. So today I'm going to speak about the aerodynamic within our project. It mainly consists of two parts: the interior, the inner exhauster for our system. So it's going to act as an input that it sucks the air from the outside. Then it comes here through the humidifier that carries the water spores or humidity in order to contain in this room. Then we have this exterior point for the air to flow in this direction. Then finally we have some fan that sucks out the as you can see, the fan, it sucks out the air, so we have an air circulation within our incubator. Then we also have the heaters, which will also be carried through this pathway.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Karam Shamir. I am member 2 of Team 12. In this part, I will explain how our sensor work in our project. First of all, I will start with Ntc Sensor. This sensor will detect if apnea happen. So if apnea happen, it will send data to controller, and controller will give an alarm in the maintenance room. The second one is the pulse oximeter and heart rate sensor. It will take a data from the infant people and send this data to the LCD to show it in the screen. The third sensor is the humidity, which will measure the humidity in the air from the humidifier and then send the data to the controller to control if the humidity more than 50, it will switch off the humidifier. And the temperature sensor will get a data from a temperature air, then send it to the controller. So if the temperature more than 37 Celsius, it will switch off the heater.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I'm Hassan Juma, member 1 from Team 12. We'll be using Arduino Mega as a microcontroller. It will take signals from input sensors to control the environment inside the incubator accordingly. And for the outputs in our project, we have an LCD which will be displaying heart rate, SpO2, temperature and humidity inside the incubator. Also, we have a buzzer that will make an alarm in case of apnea happened. Our project code is divided into two parts. The first part, which is the main code, and it includes setup and configurations for sensors, relays, buzzer and LCD, and the actuators control. The second part, which is the control code, it includes functions that will be invoked during operation of the project, such as temperature and humidity control, Ntc observer, and HR and SpO2 displaying. Thank you very much.
Our maintenance procedure: first we need to remove the inner room. In order to remove it, we're just going to lift it up a little bit. So after we lift the room, we take this protection part out. Then we can see our humidifier and our wires. Lastly, you can see the inner circuit and the microcontroller.